Hey, what's up, everyone? So listen, let me ask you a question. How many times do you wash your pillowcases? You wash your pillowcase once a week? You wash your pillowcase once every other week? Well, that's good. It's good you wash your pillowcase. But here's the thing. When do you wash your pillow? You realize your pillow is full of bugs? I got a story here. We're going to talk about what kind of bugs are in your pillows and how to wash your pillows, get rid of those bugs. Want to hear about it? Hang in there because here we go.
Zombie apocalypse.
Hey, how you doing? Good to see you again, and welcome back to the show. Thanks for stopping by. And as always, hope to find everybody safe, healthy, and in good spirits. And remember, if you're new here, definitely hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon. This way, next time I come out with a video, and definitely a thumbs up helps. And I appreciate all your comments. Definitely leave the comments. I get back to you. I promise. So listen, today I got a story about bugs. Okay, bugs in your pillow. Um, I know a lot of us, we wash our pillows every week, this and that every other week. We definitely get those pillows out. We have pillow covers and like protectors and all that stuff. But do you realize that there's still bugs and stuff that get into your pillow, and they put droppings there and leave all sorts of stuff, and after a while it actually makes your pillow heavier. It gets filled up with this stuff. And the only way we can really take care of that is to clean it. So I got a story here. We'll talk a little bit about what the bugs are that get into your pillow and how to actually clean your pillow. Because you definitely want to do that. You don't want no bugs in your pillows, man. You don't even realize it, you know. But here's a story for you. How to clean your pillows because they're full of dead bugs. You probably wash your bed sheets and pillowcases about once a week. On a rare occasion, maybe every 2 weeks. If it's any longer than that, we need to talk, especially if your pets sleep in a bed. But has it ever occurred to you to wash your pillow? Perhaps this tidbit will be the bit of encouragement you need. They're grosser than you could possibly imagine. To put a finger point on it, they're ideal breeding grounds for everything from dust mites to the flu. One British study found that after 2 years, approximately 1/3 of a pillow's weight contains dead skin, dust mites, which eat the dead skin, and droppings, poop from all of those mites. Not to mention, it's suspected that dust mites affect the majority of allergy sufferers. So they affect you if you got allergies, man. It's crazy. It's not exactly a financial sound decision to buy a new pillow every week. But take a look at a pillow's care label and you might find some welcoming news. While you can hand wash your pillows, you can likely throw them in the washing machine also. Experts recommend washing your pillows every 6 months to prolong the lifespan. Here's what you need to know. How to wash pillows. Read a pillow's care label before you toss it in a washer. We love the Coop Home Goods original pillow partly because it's machine washable. So some of these pillows are machine washables. That's what you want to look for. All right, so this is what you do. You first check the wash instructions on your pillows tags to make sure they can be tossed in a wash machine. This will vary based on the material and even the manufacturer. For instance, the Slumber Cloud Down alternative pillow is A-OK in a washer, but the Brooklinen Down alternative pillow is spot or dry clean only. This is per the brand's recommendations. Remove the pillowcase and the protector. Whatever you have on it, take everything out. Put your pillows in a wash machine. If you got top-loading washing machine, the trick is to wash at least 2 pillows at a time to keep the washer balanced. You ever had an unbalanced washer? Blah, 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 blah. It's crazy, right? So they say do 2 at a time. Add a small amount of laundry detergent. For the record, we all should probably be using less detergent. All right. Use warm water on a gentle cycle, unless otherwise specified. For example, Casper down pillows require warm water, whereas parachute down pillows call for cool water. So basically, they're just telling you, just check your labels. Add a couple of tennis balls or dryer balls to help fluff them. If you're in the market, we think the Budgies wool dryer balls could last for at least 10,000 loads based on our tests. So I guess they actually make dryer balls that get thrown in there. Tumble dry on low heat. Wait till the pillows are completely dry before remaking your bed. How to wash memory foam pillows. You got a memory foam pillow? Just tell you how to do it. If you own a memory foam pillow, chances are you'll have to stick to spot cleaning. The process will be similar to cleaning a memory foam mattress. Remove your memory foam pillow from the pillowcase. Use a handheld vacuum to remove dust and other debris. Tackle any stains with a lint-free cloth and gentle cleaning agent, such as baking soda or diluted laundry soap solution. Let the pillow air dry, checking that it's not wet before placing it back on your bed. The material can trap moisture, which can lead to mold. So you definitely want to make sure they're dry. When is it time to buy new bed pillows? No pillow is meant to last forever. Some stains won't wash out, and maybe your aching neck or sore back demands a change. Sleep experts suggest replacing a pillow every few years. However, this list of questions may be helpful in deciding when to upgrade. All right, so we're going to give you a couple examples here of when you should upgrade your pillow. Did you purchase your pillow more than 2 years ago? Do your head and neck feel unsupported? Do you wake up sneezing or congested every day? Is the pillow losing its shape or lumpy? Does your pillow have to be fluffed up for support? If you fold the pillow in half, does it stay in half? Does it stay folded or does it bounce back? If it stays folded, it's no good. These are all signs to replace a pillow, and we've got several recommendations. Of course, your purchase will depend on your sleep position. For example, the best pillow for side sleepers isn't necessarily the best pillow for stomach sleepers. Your budget and the material your budget and the material you're after will factor in too. But here are some of the best pillows we tested. All right, so we give you a couple examples of good pillows they have. We can't say enough great things about the Coop Home Goods original pillow. It's overstuffed with a blended fill, shredded memory foam, and microfiber, so you can tinker with the amount to find your ideal height. We also, like the brand says, every part can be tossed in a washing machine. Coop recommends avoiding fabric softener and bleach, as well as fastening the zipper with a safety pin to contain the filling. So when you go draw it in a washing machine, you put a little pin on there to keep it from opening. If you're a back sleeper, we'd steer you toward the Lisa Premium Foam Pillow. It's lightweight yet firm and sinks in just a bit when you plop your head down at night. The cashmere soft cover is machine washable, though you'll have to stick to spot cleaning the actual foam pillow. So you got to spot clean that. The Brooklinen down pillow comes in 3 firmness levels to accommodate different sleep positions. Spot clean as needed or take it to the dry cleaner. We're also fans of Brooklinen's 365-day return policy. If you're invested in a new pillow, pick up a pillow protector. It'll help keep out sweat and drool. A good thing, as moisture can lead to various fungi. Our favorite is the Brooklinen Pillow Protector. It's got a silky texture, and best of all, our testers didn't even notice it under the pillowcase. So that's pretty much what they're telling you, man. Wash your pillowcases, wash your pillows, read the manufacturer's ticket on there. See if you can put it in a wash machine. If you can't, just spot wash it. Whatever you can do like that, just keep it clean, because these bugs do exist, and they do go. They do go on your pillow. As a matter of fact, I'm going to try to pull up a picture of some of these bugs. Let's see if I can do this. Here it is. Yeah, so check this out. Look over here. It's got some bugs over here on the pillow. They got some bugs over here on the pillow. There's bugs like crazy. This is what they look like. Some more. Let's see. Let's see what we got over here. Look at this. Look how nasty this is. That's crazy, man. That's disgusting. But these are the kind of things you'll find on your pillow. You got to be careful. This is kind of what the bug looks like. These little bed bugs over here, That's crazy. Crazy stuff, man. You don't want this stuff. So definitely wash your pillows. Yeah, you see that's crazy. So yeah, you know, a lot of times we think we clean our pillowcase, this and that, everything is good. No, we got to clean the pillows too. So keep an eye on that. I just want to share that with you. I hate to gross you out with those pictures and stuff, but that what are you gonna do? You know, wash your pillows, check them out, see see what they look like. And these things you might not be able to see. They might be in there, you can't see them. So try to wash your pillow. All right, guys. Thanks again for stopping by. I appreciate it. Remember, if you're new here, definitely hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon. This way you know next time I come out with a video. And definitely a thumbs up helps. And leave your comments. And maybe even what I can do is, get a whole story on bed bugs, where they come from, what they do, what their actual stories, how do we kill them? What do we do for that? So maybe I'll look into that. Maybe next time we'll have a story on bed bugs. All right. Take care of yourselves. Appreciate it again for stopping by. I'll see you soon. Stay safe, stay healthy, and clean those pillows. Take care. I'm out of here. So long.